Space is cool. Really cool. In fact, some people choose to study space because of how cool it is. This field of study is called astronomy, and it is very, very cool. Astronomers study and research anything space, but mainly they focus on the unknown parts, like stars, galaxies, black holes, and planets, and so much more. They are very important when it comes to figuring things in the universe, and when it comes to proving theories about what's out there. But how does astronomy and physics work together? Well, the telescopes that astronomers use are made up of physics. It uses light and magnification to zoom in on the stars and the cosmos. We figured all of that out using our knowledge of light. There's also the physics to how orbits work, how black holes eat, how galaxies form, how stars form and die, the reason why everything exists and why life came to be. Also, a couple other pretty cool things. Astronomy is made up of equations, and the visuals that support these equations. All these equations are physics equations that then get proved by the telescopes made by physics to prove them right. Physics is required for astronomy to work, and astronomy is required for us to know more. When it comes to the education of astronomers, it can get fairly tough, but with enough work and dedication, it cannot be that bad. For an education at UBC, University of British Columbia, you're required to have at least a high school diploma, a minimum of 70% in grade 11 or 12 English, and at least 6 university credits from grade 12. The science requirements are grade 11 chemistry and physics, one of biology, chemistry, or physics in grade 12, advanced functions, which requires functions from grade 11, and university grade 12 English. If you are planning to get into astronomy, you won't have many free course slots available in high school, so plan wisely. And if all goes well and you graduate from the program, you earn yourselves a bachelor's degree of science. That's pretty awesome. So what if you want to have astronomy as your main job? Well, there are quite a few jobs that need an astronomer on their team. These jobs are, but not limited to, an astrophysicist, planetarium tour guide, professor, and more. For example, if you're an astrophysicist at NASA, your salary will be anywhere from $99,000 a year to $166,000 a year. Your job would be helping research celestial objects that you find and making new discoveries. Or it could be helping with the science and math behind missions that NASA plans to send out. There are lots of very interesting things that an astrophysicist could do at NASA, and that's just one job alone. With everything that I've gone over, it makes even me more excited about space. Astronomy is a really cool field, with a lot of physics involved to make it even more interesting. Although it might be tough to get into a program for school, and the work can get hard at times, the money you can make and the career options you have are amazing. Hopefully you know a bit more about what astronomy means now, and maybe you can appreciate all the astronomers in the world for all of the hard work that they do.